Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a resume from your Indeed account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Indeed account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your job search activities and profile information. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. This menu gives you quick access to all your profile settings and account management features. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your complete Indeed profile page where all your professional information, work history, and uploaded documents are stored. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your job applications on Indeed. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see the Resume section. This section displays all the resumes you've uploaded to your Indeed account. Having multiple resumes can be useful for applying to different types of positions, but sometimes you need to remove outdated ones or documents you no longer want associated with your profile. Under the Resume section, you'll be able to see your uploaded resume listed. Look for the three dots icon located beside your resume file. These three dots represent the menu button that gives you access to various actions you can take with that specific resume. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal the available options. From the menu that appears, you'll see several choices for managing your resume. Click on the option that says Delete. This action tells Indeed that you want to permanently remove this resume from your account. Keep in mind that this is an important decision because once deleted, you'll need to upload the resume again if you want to use it for future applications. After clicking Delete, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This is Indeed's way of making sure you really want to remove the resume, as this action cannot be undone. The confirmation message helps prevent accidental deletions and gives you one last chance to reconsider your decision. In the confirmation pop-up, click the Delete button once more to finalize the removal of your resume. Give it a moment to process and your resume will be permanently removed from your Indeed account. And that's it, your resume has been successfully deleted from Indeed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.